Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, guys, we are going to be making potato pancakes. This recipe is simple and tasty. Great recipe if you have leftover mashed potatoes. We're gonna serve these potato pancakes with chili, garlic, relish. So, guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna cut the potatoes into even chunks. Once all the potatoes are cut, add them into a saucepan filled with cold water. Next, cut the carrots and add it to the potatoes. Chop half an onion, then add it to the pot with potatoes and carrots. Add salt, then cover with the lid and head to the stove and cook until fork tender. Meanwhile, combine 2 eggs and sour cream and mix well. Now add flour along with white pepper. We're gonna also add in salt, baking powder, and garlic powder. Stir well until there are no more lumps on the batter. Next, we're gonna chop the green onions and set aside. The potato mixture is done. We're gonna transfer the mixture into a bowl and allow them to cool slightly. Now we're gonna add cheese and black pepper and mash the potato mixture. This is how our mixture is gonna look. There's gonna be chunks of carrots and potatoes. That's how we want it to be. Next, add chopped green onion and mix well. Next, apply some vegetable or canola oil on the cutting board and your hands. Then take a tablespoon of potato mixture and shape it into a round flat disc and place it on a greased cutting board. Here, guys, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not using a tablespoon. Repeat the same process until all the potato mixture is used up. This is how our potato pancakes looks, guys. Now it's time for us to fry them. I already have my oil heated up on medium-high heat. Now we're gonna dip the potatoes in the batter, coat well on both sides, and fry them until they are golden brown. When dipping these potato pancakes, it's easier to use a fork, but for some reason I like using a spoon, guys. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, if you love potatoes like me, I'm gonna leave a link somewhere up here, guys. Go check some of my other recipes for potatoes. I know you'll love them, guys. Repeat the same process until all the potato pancakes are fried. Once all browned, remove the potato pancakes and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Please, guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this recipe. I love hearing from you guys. Now, guys, let's move on to make the chili garlic sauce relish. In a medium skillet, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add onions and saute for 5 minutes until they are soft and translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and cook for 2 minutes. Now add chili garlic sauce and cook for another 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Now add diced tomatoes. Cook for another 3 minutes, stirring frequently. Now it's time to add the seasonings. We're gonna go in with basil, oregano, thyme, then season with salt and black pepper. Mix well, stirring frequently. Then turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, guys. The relish is done. There you have it, guys. Potato pancakes with chili garlic relish. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Garnish with parsley and enjoy. Share the video with your friends and your family and give it a like. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.